I looked at the question you'd asked around ability to apply AI on unstructured data that's not inside Salesforce. So like Jira or other sort of documents or knowledge base articles. So here is an example. I'm on a case, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pull up a prompt. And when I run this prompt, it's going to take this information and query against an AI. We're using Google Vertex in this case. You could do that with AWS or Azure or any other AI. And what it's done is it's basically created a whole sort of a search index, if you will, of our knowledge base for cloud compliance, which is one of our brands. And it's come back with specific information on this case. It has also updated that information on the proposed resolution here automatically. And I can actually click on this and get navigated to that specific article, which has information on this particular thing. Another example I wanted to show you is for a PDF. So this is like a simple PDF document for the Nest thermostat. And again, someone's asking this question. This is blank here. We do the same thing. I'm going to go here, click on generate resolution. And the idea is for cases, this could be automated. As soon as a case is created, someone in communities creates it through email, through chat. We can automatically attach a proposed resolution. So a support rep is then looking at what is a possible resolution, particularly in high tech where you have a huge repository of knowledge, maybe in PDFs, in internal knowledge bases, in Salesforce knowledge or other kind of technologies. You have the ability to do this. So again, it comes back and you can see this is on our Google Cloud Storage. So it's running all Google technology here in this particular case. And the answer was 24 volt. That's where it picked it from. So it's pointing the rep specifically to that. And this can also be woven into a live chat type environment. The third case I wanted to show you really quickly is again, very similar idea. It's for a question here. Again, the field is blank. We'll do this. It'll automatically get populated. I'm going to go to generate resolution, run this. Same thing. It takes this query, applies AI. AI is looking at what possible answers and comes back with a conversational response. The reason I wanted to share this particular example, oh, and by the way, it's populated here. So the reason I wanted to show this particular example is because in this case, the document is slightly larger and it's got a lot more content. So this is a fairly dense, very typical sort of a technical document, and it's 40 pages. They could be, 500,000 pages. The idea is that by applying a retrieval augmentation generation type or a RAG pattern, we're able to basically scan knowledge bases, PDFs, other kind of documents, Word docs, anything else, and basically update information. So that can happen on cases. It can also work with opportunities for RFPs, a lot of different areas. So I hope it answers the question. Thank you so much.